Hi students, welcome to my channel Learn with GBR Vlogs. Now we are going to discuss about the exercise 8.6 decimals class 6 maths. Now let us see the first question, that is subtract A rupees 18.25 from rupees 20.75 and B1 is 2.051 kilometers from 5.206 kilometers. Okay, now let us see the A1, that is rupees 18.25 from rupees 20.75. So first we have to write the bigger number, then below the write the smaller number. Bigger number is 20.75. Here the place values is these tens, ones, tenths place values, and here the hundredths place values. First bigger number, then we write smaller numbers. Now we subtract this. Here 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 2, that is 5. We keep the decimal point here. Here 0 minus 8, not possible. So we take borrow from 2. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 1 will be there. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So now we get the answer is rupees 2.50. Now let us see the next one, that is 2.051 kilometers from 5.206. First we have to write the bigger number, and below the bigger number we write the smaller number. That is 5.206 by 2.051. Now we subtract this, we get 6 minus 1, that is 5. Here 0 minus 5, not possible. So we take borrow from 2. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 1 will be there. 1 minus 1 is 1. We keep the decimal point here. 5 minus 2 is 3. So therefore we get the answer is 3.155 kilometers. Now let us see the next question, that is find the value of A 9.756 minus 6.28. B1 is 18.5 minus 6.79. Now let us see the A1, that is 9.756 minus 6.28. Here also we write the first bigger number, then below the smaller number. That is 9.756 minus 6.28. Here not there, thousands place values, answer number is not there, means we keep the 0. So now we subtract these two. We get first 6 minus 0 is 6. Here 5 minus 8 is not possible, so we take borrow. 15 minus 8 is 7. Here 6 will be there. 6 minus 2 is 4. We keep the decimal point here. 9 minus 6 is 3. Therefore 9.756 minus 6.28, it is equal to 3.476. Okay, now B1, that is 18.5 minus 6.79. Here also we write the bigger number first, then below the smaller number. That is 18.5 minus 6.79. Here the place values is tens, ones, tenths, hundredths. Here not there, means here we keep the 0, and here also we keep the 0. Now we subtract this two. Here 0 minus 9, not possible. So we take this. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Here 4 will be there. 4 minus 7 is also not possible. We take this. 14 minus 7 is 7. We keep the decimal point. Here 7 will be there. 7 minus 6 is 1, 1. So therefore 18.5 minus 6.79, it is equal to 11.71. Okay. Now let us see the next question, that is Rani had rupees 18.50. she bought one ice cream for rupees 11.75. Now, how much money does she have now? Now we find the how much money does she have. First, money with Rani, that is 18.50 rupees. Now, price of an ice cream is how much? 11.75 rupees. Now, how much money left with Rani will be the difference of these two. It is equal to, hence, the money left with her is 18.50 minus 11.75. Now, we subtract these two, we get the money left with her. Therefore, first 0 minus 5 is not possible. So, take this. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 4 will be there. Here also not possible. So, we take this. And 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. We keep the decimal point here. Here 7 will be there. 7 minus 1 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, now the money left with her is rupees 6.75. So, therefore, the money left with Rani is rupees 6.75. Okay. Now, let us see the next question. That is, Namita travels 20 kilometers 500 meters every day. Out of this, she travels 10 kilometers 200 meters by bus and the rest by auto. Now, how much distance does she travel by auto? Now, we find the Namita travelled by auto is how much distance. Okay. First total distance travelled by Namita is 20 kilometers and 50 meters. Now, 50 meters, now we convert the kilometers. That is 20 kilometers, that is 50 meters, it is equal to 50 by 1000 kilometers. As we know that 1000 meters, it is equal to 1 kilometers. Now, that can be written as 20 plus 0.050 kilometers. This is equal to 20.050 kilometers. Now, distance travelled by bus, that is 10 kilometers and 200 meters. Now, 10 kilometers plus 200 meters convert into kilometers, that is equal to 200 by 1000 kilometers. That is equal to 10 kilometers plus 0.200 kilometers. This can be written as this like. So, now this is equal to 10.200 kilometers. Now the total distance travelled by auto, it is equal to total distance travelled minus distance travelled by bus. Okay. Now, the distance to be travelled by auto is, that is total distance travelled is 20.050 and the distance travelled by bus is 10.200 kilometers. Now, we subtract these two, we get the Namita travelled kilometers by auto, that is 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, here 0 minus 2 is not possible, so here also 0, so we take this and this, so 10 minus 2 is 8, here 9 will be there, 9 minus 0 is 9, here we keep the decimal point and here 1 will be there, so that is 9.850 kilometers. So, therefore, Namita travelled 9.850 kilometers by auto. Therefore, Namita travelled 9.850 kilometers by auto. Okay. Okay students. If you like this video, like, share and comment. If you want more videos, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. Thank you for watching. Thank you.